Good evening. I can't think Thank you for watching. Can't wait to get to know when I am for myself. Hi, Ralph Hasler. Thank you for joining. Hi, Ralph Hasler. I can't forget to know when I am for myself. Greetings from Germany. Thank you for watching from Germany. Something I found someone new. Thank you for watching from Germany. Sir Ralph Basler. Thank you for three. Thank you for the likes. 4 people. I can't believe this without you. I can't live. I can't live anymore. 4 people. Thank you, Ralph Basler. So Ralph. I can't forget you. Thank you for the how much? 7 people. Thank you so much. How are you? Where are you from? Thank you for watching. I'm living in Philippines. I'm from the Bicol, Philippines. I just can't forget tomorrow when I ever myself. Every day. Hi, Richard Saunders. Hi, beautiful. How are you doing today? I am from Texas. Hi from Texas. Thank you for joining. Richard Saunders. Thank you for joining from Texas. Thank you for the likes. I just can't forget tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Are you? No, I'm not single. Look, Mary. Tina Holic Spotted. Hello, love. How are you doing? I'm doing live here. I'm sitting down talking this. I'm on because I'm on the live, something like that. What time is it for you? Time here, time check here. 11:19 p.m. 11:19 p.m. here. Thank you for watching. Can you hit the likes? Wow, for us it's morning. Morning. Tenaholics pattern. Where are you from? Tenaholics, where are you from? Hi, Try. Damn, you are pretty. Really? Well, good night. Thank you, Tina Holics pattern. Good night to me and good morning to you, Tina. Tina. I would like to sleep. Why? Thank you for guys. Mega love. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for the likes. Everyone hit the likes. Thanks a lot. Tina, where are you from, Tina? Tina. Goodbye, Tina. Good night. Goodbye and good night, Tina. Good night to me and good morning to you, Tina. Thank you for joining, Tina. Tenaholics pattern. Try. I'm not entertaining for like you here on my channel. Maybe going to other channel. We will entertain like you, but not on my channel. Sorry. I don't want to waste my time because I'm in a relationship and I need to respect not only me but something like my relationships. So maybe they will to the other channel they will entertain you, not me. Hi, Just Dado. Good evening, host. Hi, good evening, Just Dado. Thank you for joining. Hello, my friend. Hello, this Dado. I'm watching my own life. Something like that. Thank you. Thank you for likes. Some likes. Thumbs up. Further, thank you for the thumbs up. If you marry me, I will give you an island. That are real scam. Seth Jollins. Seth Rollins. I hate liars. Maybe you will give to someone deserve what you offer, but not me. So don't waste your time, something like that to me. They're all Yahoo. The just that. Thank you. Why still awake? Almost midnight. Good morning. Hi, Patu Lover. Good morning. Like them. Thank you for the likes, Pati Lover. I'm from Philippines. Thank you for the subscribe. Thank you so much, Pati Lover. Thank you so much, Pati Lover, for subscribe. Thank you so much. Philippines, very nice. Really, thank you. But not all nice. Not all nice. Same the other countries. Some are nice, some not good, something like that. Yes, yes, that's right. Open. Mary Joy, Marjoy, Marjorie pala. So, Marjorie, hi. Marjorie 1225. How are you? Oh, my Marjorie 1225. What's up? Yet mom fix you, please no. I told you guys, I don't like pervert, something like that. I hope you understand. I don't want to waste some my time, and I don't like to entertain like that. Okay, sorry, please no. Okay, if I show my feet, you will send $2,000. You can, so I will show my feet. Kopya man ni popcorn. Okay, that's good. Thank you for the likes, money. Oh no, super chat. There's a super chat. Hi, morning love. Anderson Bishop. Hi. Anderson Bishop. Hello. Good morning. Good evening. Have a nice day. Where in the Philippines are you from? Bicol province, Philippines. Marjorie. Okay. Huh? Yes, girl. I'm Trinidad. Is 1:13 a.m. Have a good day. Have a good day. Hi, Cheryl. Harvesting season. Hi, harvesting season. Harvesting season. Hello. Where in the Philippines are you from? Bicol. From Bicol province. Philippines. Bicol. I'm not Bisaya. I'm not Ilonggo. I'm not Ilocano. I'm not something like that. I'm from Bicol. I'm Bicolana. Bicolana, okay? Many people in Bicol. It depends. Maybe something like that. You and the country or city. Huh? What are you talking about? Like that. Sad. That's that you look like you need a luxury vacation of your choice. What do you mean? Hi Javad Zarilo like village. Like village. From Iran. From Iran. Javad Zari from Iran. Hi po. Thank you for joining. I am Japanese. Manila, Cagayan de Oro City. I'm 41 years old. Marjorie, do you think I'm stupid? I want to take you on vacation is what I mean. Why? That one Asia 20. Why you say that? Hi, Father Nate. Welcome back again. How are you? Oh my god, I fell sleeping. Marjorie. Because there's only enough blood for one head and spontaneous happening. That's what we think. Because there's only enough blood for one head and spontaneous and happening. I don't know about that, but for me, I want living a peace of mind, something like that. Maybe you will do that to deserving the vacation, something like that. Because I'm fine. Do you have any money? Why you say that, Marjorie? Fine, I will come to you. Have it your really well. No? Marjorie, if you're asking about money, if you're asking money from me, sorry, I just have enough money for food, something like that, enough money for family care, but I don't have enough someone borrow from me because I'm not rich, you know. Hi Jess, thank you for joining Jess. I'm just playing around. Oh, playboy like that. Playing around, going anywhere, something like that. I'm thinking of moving to the Philippines, retired early. Where are you from? Urbanization. Where are you from? Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much, Jess. Thanks. How are ya? America, where do you live? Where state you in living in America? Where state? Oh, oh my god. platform Asia. Not my real name. It's Sankit word that means you are that. Ah, okay. Okay. I'm from New Jersey. Ah, my future my future husband from he living in New Jersey. But now from New Jersey, but now uh, uh living now in Pennsylvania. Uh, if you need money, please. I don't need money. No, no. If you want to send money, you just send super chat. No need to contact ko. But if no need to contact. My future hubby send me enough money, something like that. Maybe you will give that to someone who serve your money, and she doesn't want to contact you. Yeah. Yes. Yes, Jess. Thank you, Jess. No need to contact. I'm definitely thinking of going your future husband's road. I don't think I will be getting remarried, but definitely want to enjoy the rest of my time on Earth. Yeah. Yes, sir. Star. Yes, po. You need to enjoy your life, something like the rest of our the life. Same as my future hobby. You need to enjoy our life, something like same as me. Yes, live having a healthy lifestyle, peace of mind, peaceful life, something like that. Bring good to the world, but also have a peace and joy, something like that. Yes, po. Thank you for the likes. I need to end the live because I feel sleepy now. I need to work tomorrow, something like that. The Philippines is so hot. I'm jealous. Where do you live? Where are you from? From Japan. Manok and Isda is the best. Yeah, Mr. Extra. Manok is Isda is the best, yeah. Thank you so much. 11 people in the house. Manok 400 peso now. Yeah, expensive. Expensive foods, something like that. Not like before. Cheap price, affordable, something like that. The kilo of manok is a whole day working all day. You need to work. Sorry, excuse me. What's up, gangster? Hi, Blue Gold. Humor. What do you mean, Chichoria? Humorin ko yung mukha mo. Charot. Humor ka dyan. Yeah. Hello again. So sorry for sleep people when we check. Japan yen. What it means? Japan 1 million yen? Something like that. Japan 1 million yen. Marjorie. Nantok na ako. Nga. Thank you for likes. Philippine business. Hmm. I need to go to sleep now. Thank you so much for joining. See you tomorrow because I'm working tomorrow morning. Bye bye.